Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gardening Paradise. The garden is considered to be the most beautiful part of the house, where we can take a break from the daily monotonous life and relax. It helps in making and mending bonds with the family member when the whole family gathers a chit chat to the garden. The garden can be beneficial and in may known and unknown way it plays a significant role in maintaining good health and pleasant environment. As urbanization to increase gradually, the earth is losing all its greeneries and so planting a few trees in the garden will also help Mother Nature to heal. We have compiled some extended essay on my garden, and my garden is very beautiful place. The freshly grown fruits and vegetables do not have and pesticides, insecticides of an artificial colors which make it healthy and safe to consume for kids and elder people. The garden also offers a place for playing outdoor sports, which encourages the sportive nature of the kids and also help them in keeping fit and active throughout the day. The kids can have fun in the garden by building tents and playing over there. Handling daily stress and tension irritate a person after a certain period. The garden offers as escape from. And the maintain of the proper garden, the skill is very garden is needed and regular moving another places and plants are required to keep it the greenery alive and the pests and diseases away. Garden also provide essentially environment to calm and the mind and body. It feels good to work out my mind is nature. It helps to rejuvenate and bring compassion. A garden bring a man closer to nature and thanks for watching.